We're still watching a tornado watch here in South Mississippi and a tornado warning for areas of northeast George County, actually much of George County, what we're tracking right now, and that does include Lucedale, our most populated area of George County. This is going to be along Highway 63 and 98. The spot we're watching the closest, headed towards Lucedale. We want everybody in Lucedale to be in their safe spot. Very important that you get there now because these storms are moving very quickly. Now, going ahead and popping up our velocity table here, we were watching the rotation earlier on when we were on TV. It has been fairly significant rotation, especially compared to what we've seen earlier on today. A closer look as to what we're seeing at the moment, showing that rotation just along Highway 63. You see where the greens are going towards and the reds are going away from them. The radar, that's where we have that rotation along 63, moving off to the northeast, near where 26 meets 63, and then it's going to continue its way off to the north. So that's going to head on up just into Lucedale, 613, 63. If you live along any of these roads in George County, we need you to go ahead and get in your safe spot. No, excuse me. This is going to be headed up towards Highway 98 as well, right there into Lucedale. So all things that we're going to be tracking very closely. Agricola, this is going to be just off to your west, and we're continuing to track it closely. This is all going to be headed off towards the northeast, into northeast portions of George County once again. So all of these moving pretty quickly, seeing a little bit of lightning, a lot of heavy rainfall, and then that rotation that's just west of Highway 63. And I know meteorologist Eric Johnson is watching the WX First Alert Weather Center. He has the latest update on what we're seeing there.
Yeah, we're continuing to watch the storm over into George County at the moment. That continues to lift off towards the northeast. That tornado warning does continue until 12 o'clock this afternoon. However, we are watching some other thunderstorms that have started to intensify over Jackson County as well. These don't necessarily have any rotation, but just heads up. So Van Cleve, you're getting very heavy rain and some gusty winds and heavy downpours, but areas that are under that tornado warning, like Lucedale and Agricola and areas along Highway 63, you're about to get another round of heavy rain as that tornadic circulation continues to lift off towards the north. Let me pause the radar here, and I will highlight the area that we're concerned about as far as rotation. What you see there, what I circled there, that's the part of the thunderstorm that is rotating, and that's the area with the best chance of at least having some type of tornadic or at least something touching the ground. And what we've seen, and Andrew was talking about earlier, it does have some really good rotation with this as it's crossing Highway 63. It does appear that the most intense part of the circulation is going to be just to the south of Lucedale, but it will continue tracking up towards the north and to the east towards Highway 98. So all of those locations in the tornado warning, in that polygon that you see there, that red outline, I'll zoom out a little bit so everyone can see that. But again, that red outline, I can highlight there, what I've just popped up there, that's the tornado warning for George County until 12 o'clock this afternoon. So we're also seeing a lot of lightning with these storms, but that's not the big threat right now. Right now, we're really concerned about those quick spin-ups. The way the situation we have kind of unfolding across South Mississippi, of course, we've been talking a lot about Tropical Storm Harvey, and it's making landfall well off towards our east, but what we have to worry about is all these rain bands that are kind of spiraling into South Mississippi. When I play this into motion, you can see several rain bands kind of coming on in. We have one, and then, we have a brand new tornado warning in effect. Let me zoom in here. Let me pop up this and pan in really quick. And we have a brand new tornado warning for Jackson County. And let me get that information for you as it's just coming in. So a brand new tornado warning for Jackson County until 12:15. Emergency management confirming a tornado with this storm. So it looks like at 11:47, a confirmed tornado was located over Goche, or 7 miles east of Ocean Springs, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Emergency management confirming this, a tornado